Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Nadula Hair for sending this beautiful bag with a wig. We are gonna go in and see what's inside, and we're gonna install the wig. So of course it came in a box, so this is it. We're gonna go in and see what's in the box, all the goodies that we receive. Of course the hair is gonna be in it. All right, so we get some goodies. We get some nails, we get a edge band and some invisible caps in a bag, which is pretty awesome. We also have a detachable band. We have a Nadula band and some more extra wig cap. Love that. Now this is the wig, and we are gonna go into the wig and see. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a Yaki 24 inches, and it is the bye-bye knots. Now, with the bye-bye knots, it is so realistic. You guys see that? Look at that. Also, this is something new. There's pasties, that's what I call them, on the edge, so you can go totally glueless while having them on the edge, being glued down. Not glued down, but paste down, because they are like stickers. I love that. This is super easy for anyone. The lace is already cut. You can just slide this wig on, paste these at the sides, and you are there. Now we have the detachable band. If we want to install it, we can go ahead. So we have that snug feeling on our head. This is how the wig look. It's Yaki. I absolutely love the Yaki ear. You see that? This is beautiful. I love this. I love this. There is a comb at the back, and also this is to make the wig snug on your head. I love this. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at the texture. It is full, so I love that about this wig. It's amazing. So we're gonna go in with the installation, and I'll show you guys. Definitely. Bye bye knots. All right, let's install the wig. Well, we're gonna test and see. And then this, we're just gonna put it down. I love this. Okay. And then put this other one right here down to the side. Easy peasy. All right guys, we are gonna go in. This is like so easy, so simple to do. Like, look at that lace. Like, come on. Oh, I like it. We're gonna go in and put this down. This is so easy. Like, every day they come up with a new trend, and I love that. It's literally like, it fits my head. Okay, then these, all I'm gonna do is remove the tape, and voila. Y'all see that? Then the next one, we just tape it down, remove it, and that's it. This part is already snug, and it's gonna be even more snug when we do that. So I'm super excited for that. I just added makeup. This is a bye-bye knots, by the way. I told you guys that before, and that is something that is like super natural. I also have the, not the 30x4, but I think it's a 5x7. Quote me, don't quote me. Which is simple bye-bye knots as well, but you can just slip it on your head. Super easy. I'm gonna do that install on someone, so you guys should see that. But let's get into this and apply these tapes for that natural look. Let's go. All right, guys, it's time for us to install this wig. We are gonna get down. First thing, I'm gonna put on a cap that they sent. Then we're gonna put some makeup onto the cap and then see how the wig looks. Of course, this is the simplest way you could do your hair, especially if it's glueless. I still like to add makeup to the cap. Pull it back. We're gonna test the wig and see how it looks. I went ahead and flat ironed the wig. It is so beautiful. Oh, so cute. Look at that. So I need to put makeup on this, so we're gonna do that. Nadula, come here. I see you, girl. You working. Listen, you know when you have on a wig and it just feels like your hair is done, that's how it feels now with these tapes. We need some more, because I know they're gonna upgrade this soon and they're gonna have the option for you to reuse them. I know they're gonna do that. All right, so that is on. Let's get, this is so simple, like really and truly it's done. All I'm gonna do is tab a little bit of Gots to Be spray, that way nothing shows, just on my fingers, and tab it just like that. Don't need it. I'm just doing it just on my fingers. See, just on my fingers. And we're not gonna put it where the tape is. That's all. See that? Melted. Even more melted. I'm gonna tie this down for a few seconds, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna do our makeup. We're gonna complete this look. Okay. All right, guys, my makeup is done beautifully. Yes, so we're gonna take this band off and we're gonna reveal it. But how is the makeup? Let's talk about that. Let's go. All right, that's it, guys. It's so beautiful. Oh, yes, yes, I love it. So this is the ear Nadula, real simple, real easy. I did my makeup, so all I need to do is just kind of add my brush, foundation brush around the edges, so that way everything is covered. Beautifully done. You see the tapes at the sides? I'm not even gonna do no baby ear or nothing. I love this wig as is, and if it's up to me alone, to be honest, I would be like, you know what, let's pin this up. Let's pin this up, you know? It is cute. I know I did add the thing to it, so it's probably down on my head. So I'm not gonna lift it up. I am not going to lift it up. You see that? So natural. Yes. All right, this is it. Let's get into some slow-mo. I don't need to, I added the band to the wig, of course, but I honestly don't need to do nothing because the back, let me show you guys, it's not showing anything. Okay, so that's the back right there, looking good. All I'm gonna do is just brush this down and we're gonna get into everything. It is a Yaki, kinky Yaki. So therefore, what I like about this ear texture is that you don't have to flat iron it every single time, and that's something that I adore. So here we go. We are going to do a 360 rundown, show you guys more about the wig. Let's just get into it. Thank you again to Nadula here. Everything will be in the description below. Make sure you check it. You have the option to do 13x4 or you have the option to do the 5x7. Okay, period. Like, it looks so cute. I like it. And this is something that you can do every day, and it is so freaking natural. So let's get into this slow-mo. Make sure you check the description down below. Thank you again to Nadula here for sending this beautiful wig. I will get into the good part